Would you like to be able to resize columns all to exactly the same width really quickly and easily in Excel or Google Sheets? First of all, I'm going to show you how to do it in Excel. The first thing is to select the columns that I want to resize. So I'll move up the top here. I'm going to move the mouse over column A, and I'm looking for that black downward arrow. Now I can click and drag across to highlight the other columns that I'm going to be resizing. Once I've selected those columns, I move again up the top here. In between each column there is a little line, so right at the top where we've got the column letters. I need to move over any one of those lines between the columns I want to resize, and I'm looking for that double black arrow which indicates that I can resize. So now I click and drag across to the right, and all of these columns are now exactly the same width. It's very, very similar in Google Sheets. So the same as before, I need to select the columns that I want to resize. So I move up the top over column A. Now it gives me this white arrow to start with, and then when I click and hold the mouse button down and drag across, it changes to this hand symbol. Once I've selected the columns I want to resize, I release the mouse button, and again I'm looking to move between the columns, and this time it's a double white arrow. But then I do the same thing as I did in Excel. I click and drag to resize them so they're all exactly the same size.